Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on PC. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you improve grammar, spelling, punctuations, clarity, and tone in real time. It works on PC through a browser extension, desktop app, or the website. Whether you are writing emails, essays, social media posts, or the business documents, Grammarly automatically checks your writing and suggests improvement. And it is widely used by students, professionals, and content creators because it saves time and improves writing quality instantly. First, to begin using Grammarly on PC, you first need to create an account. So overall, first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type on grammarly.com and enter it, and it is free. You can register using your email address, Google account, or Apple. And in the top right corner we can find there's an option for the get Grammarly. It's free or login. If you already have an account, you can simply click onto this login and put down your credentials and you can log in it. But if you are new, you can simply click onto this Get Grammarly here. Under this you can either continue with the Google or your Apple, as I'm going to type down my email address and my password as well. And make sure your password is strong enough, and after that you can click onto this agree and sign up. And over here you need to verify your email. Simply open the new tab and type down gmail.com and enter it. And you need to find the Grammarly mail. Over here on the top there's a mail by the Grammarly. Open it and simply copy this verification code and simply paste it over here. And that is it. This is how you can verify your email as well. And after signing up, Grammarly will ask a few questions like what's your most writing for work or school. You can select for your work or school as well and select next each time. And this helps personalize the suggestions as well. And you will simply get into this interface of a Grammarly. And you can also use the Grammarly in the three main ways. Grammarly browser extensions recommended work on Chrome, Edge, Firefox automatically checks the writing in Gmail, Google Docs, social media, etc. Or you can go to the Chrome web store, go to the new tab here and go to the extension. And over here, click onto the extension for browser. And in the top, there's an address bar. Search for extension, type on Grammarly. And over here, you can also add to Chrome for the convenient. When you first open the Grammarly, you will see a clean writing dashboard, main section for the writing editor here as well. This is where you type your text. Grammarly checks your writing in the real time. Or you can simply add a new doc here. And this is where you can type your text and Grammarly checks your writing in the real time. This panel also shows the grammar corrections, spelling mistakes, clarity improvements, tone suggestions, vocabulary upgrades. Each suggestion is highlighted with colors: red, grammar, spelling error, blue, that gives the clarity suggestions, and the green tone or the engagement improvement. And in the Grammarly score, this shows your writing quality score out of the 100 just beside it. And highest score is the clearer writing and important Grammarly icons. And when you type Grammarly underline words, red underline means the grammar or the spelling issue, blue underline is the clarity or the readability issue. And on the left hand side, we can find there's an option for the version history. This version history feature allows you to see the earlier version of your document. This is very useful if you accidentally delete something or want to restore older writing. How it works is Grammarly automatically saves the document while you type. Every major change is recorded as a version. You can view and compare previous drafts as well. And what you can do is you can restore your older versions, compare changes, track your writing progress, and this feature is especially helpful for the students and the writers who edit often and need backup copies of their work. And beside it, we can find the trash just below the version history. This section stores the deleted documents here. Once you click onto this trash here, when you delete a file, it does not disappear immediately. It moves to trash first and you can restore or permanently delete it. You can simply open it to view the deleted files, restore it to bring the account document back, and delete permanently to remove it forever. And this is useful if you delete something by mistake or want to clean your workspace as well. And you can also go to this account just below the trash here, your account section, to control everything about your Grammarly profile as well. Inside this account section, you can manage your personal information, your name, your recovery email, your email preferences, about your most by writing for, and your expected graduation here as well. Your account control is how Grammarly works for you across all the devices. Any change here affect your PC browser and the mobile usage as well. In the left hand side, we can find there's an option for the bookmark. The bookmark feature lets you save important documents or part of the writing for quick access. You can bookmark entire documents or mark specific section inside a document here. Quickly access the important work, organize research or writing project, avoid searching manually. For example, students can bookmark essays and professionals can save important reports as well. And the subscription section just below. If you want a Grammarly subscription here, you can click onto the subscription here as well. To manage your Grammarly plan, you can find this a free version which you can automatically open it for your current plan. You can find this an option for the pro version for the individual teams, or for the large organization there's an enterprise as well. This pro plan is an advanced grammar correction, sentence rewrites, tone adjustments, vocabulary enhancement, clarity improvement. Just beside there's an enterprise designed for the team, collaboration tools, brand tone, consistency, and admin control as well. And you can simply get started and you can proceed to payment here as well. Again, in this setting, you can click onto the setting in the left hand side and you can find this feature customization. In Grammarly, it allows you to adjust the tools to match your writing style and needs. This is found in the setting inside your account. Here, you can also change your security overview. Once you click onto this feature customization, here you can select the generative AI tailored assistance features, your personalized insights and suggestion bundles as well, and turn off or off your grammar clarity, engagement, or delivery. You can also show generative AI on the text selection, AI for the quick replies or prompt history as well. And this customization makes Grammarly flexible. A student may prefer basic corrections, while a professional writer may want advanced tone and clarity suggestions as well. Again, in the left hand side, this is the writing icon. Under this writing icon here, Grammarly is designed to make editing easy and visual. Here you can also select your personal style for your dictionary. You can click onto this dictionary and you can add also a new word and assign it. Or you can also go to this language setting here and you can select your primary language. And these writing tools work together to make editing faster and more accurate, especially for the essays, emails, and reports as well. And when you go back, you can click onto your profile icon in the bottom left here, and you will find there's an option for the support section. The support section helps you resolve your problems and learn how to use the Grammarly better. You can go to this support section here, and inside the support section, you can also find all of the help articles, step-by-step guide for the common issues, your frequently asked questions, answer to the frequent questions, troubleshooting tools, fix login or extensions problem here, and contact support. You can also submit a ticket if you need a direct help. And there's also community forum where all the users discuss steps and solutions here. You can find the account basic, your tips and tutorials, resolve issues here. And you can also go to the My Tickets in the top right corner as well and submit a request. Find the Grammarly assistance in the bottom right. And here you can ask the personal assistance questions and get help from the Grammarly support assistance as well. And support is useful if Grammarly is not working in your browser, suggestions are not showing, and you face login or billing issues. And tips for the beginners: you do not accept every suggestions, blindly learn from the corrections instead of just fixing them, and use Grammarly while writing, not after. Combine AI suggestions with your own style. Use goals for the better accuracy. And Grammarly is more than just a spelling checker. It is a full AI writing assistant. Once installed on PC, it works silently in the background as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.